Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, August the 5th, 2022. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the first one. Then we have a second one, a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijfer block. And the final puzzle in this additional, a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve and include these 3 regular puzzles. Will be total of 7 for today. A lot of puzzles to do. Okay, and what's the news for today? Well, it's day number 161. 161 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Yes, the war, day number 161. And maybe the war in China, Taiwan, I don't know. Maybe a second war will start. All those wars, I cannot believe this. We're living in the 2022 and there's a war. Okay, the binary Sudoku, and this will be number 4952. This will be 4952. And before I start, let me count the boxes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Already 2 minutes past. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see, doubles. Okay, the doubles are used. How about let me scan. Well, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here in this first column, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this first column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. Yeah, so this should be in the fifth O. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Yes, this should be an O. Okay, a double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here in the first row, then we have 3 O's in this first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 7 minutes. -2. Alright. Great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye bye for now.